color commentary on Garland. So today we're cruising around Garland, Texas. We just looked at a couple nice B-class properties. They were built in the late 70s. I think one was early 80s. But, you know, just that traditional pitched roof, solid exterior. They did the wood planking around the balconies. That looked really nice. And my initial impression of Garland is that it's pretty middle of the down the fairway kind of area. You know, it's just got your, you know, Walmart, gas stations, B-class retail, kind of workforce housing.
I would say probably a B minus submarket. There's really, most of the product in Garland is 60s, 70s, and 80s. There's really not that much 90s stuff, except if you go north, probably closer to George Bush, you have some 90s stuff. We just left the property. You know, one bedrooms are about 1,100. Two bedrooms, probably around 1,300 to 1,400. The older product in Garland is, you know, the C product. A lot of that stuff is all bills paid, and then when you get up to the B stuff, it's more, you know, they're billing back for everything.
What kind of food are we looking at in Garland? Anything that Garland's known for food?
I would say more probably Vietnamese in Garland, and maybe some Mexican food. So
are we getting pho today, or are we getting Mexican food?
Yeah, so we're out here in Garland, and you know, a lot of people are looking for that amenity that can't be replaced, that doesn't cost you a lot in expenses. And you got the whole Lake Ray Hubbard right here in Garland, right behind us. And this lake is a great amenity, whether you're going boating, canoeing, jump out here during the weekend and walk around and just have a really peaceful, you have no neighbors.
Who's Ray Hubbard, and why did he deserve to get a lake named after him?